Once when Jesus was praying in private and his disciples were with him, he asked them,
"Who do the crowds say I am?"
They replied,
"Some say John the Baptist, others say Elijah,
and still others that one of the prophets of long ago has come back to life."
"But what about you?"
he asked.
"Who do you say I am?"
Peter answered,
"God's Messiah."
Jesus strictly warned them not to tell this to anyone. And he said,
"The Son of Man must suffer many things and be rejected by the elders, the chief priests, and the teachers of the law. And he must be killed, and on the third day be raised to life."
Then he said to them all,
"Whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves and take up their cross daily and follow me. For whoever wants to save their life will lose it, but whoever loses their life for me will save it."